Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did this lab. Lab number 10, creating and using a database. So in this lab, I'm supposed to, install the Java runtime environment. I downloaded this one already from its website, and also the Apache Open Office, yeah, from I think openoffice.com or something. Anyhow, the link is right here. Yeah, and openoffice.org actually, org. Okay. So I could show you how the installation goes. Just click on that. Okay. All right. Good. Click install. Okay. And this is you have successfully installed Java. Just close it. And then the next one is the Apache. Same thing. Click install. It might be a little bit different than what you're going to see on your installation because I already have it installed on my computer. So I have this 3 options: modify, repair, and remove. I'm just going to modify, but will not do anything to it. So as I'm going to leave it as is. And click next. Okay, this one is for if you don't have any Microsoft Office, then you obviously you got to check this 3. But if you already have it, then just leave it as it be. Don't check on it. And then install. And finished. Okay, the next one is the lab asks you to check the path. Yeah. So we could do it by opening up Open Office in this one. Then go into Tools, Option. You can see right here Java. Popular use Java runtime environment, the Oracle Corporation right there. And then just click on, where is it? Yeah, right there. And good to go. Just okay. And the next one is asking you to create a new database. I also have already created the database. So I'm going to show you right here what I have inside the database already. Go into that one. As you can see right here, recently used CompTIA. So I'm not gonna create again. I'm just gonna show you what's inside. So go to open. Okay, just click finished. Right there, as you can see, on the table side, I have contact table and customer table. I'll show you how I made it by edit right there. As you can see, don't forget to fill the properties right there. And then customer, select customer record right there. Yeah, first name and chart name. Okay. Close up that one. Also, I'll show you the customer table. There you can see. But I have some description right here because I'm supposed to put some description right here too. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, there it is. So I'm just going to input it again and see what's up. Primary key for the customer table. address. Then I click on. Okay, so after that one, the lab that asks you to show relationship between those two tables. So you go into tool, into relationship. So you can see how it connected this customer ID with this customer under the contact table. Yeah. Okay, once you do that one, then good to go. Wait, just the relationship has been changed to you, and just click no. Yeah. Okay. Once that one is done, yeah, that was one too many relationship. Okay. Now it's creating a form. I'll show you. I already created the form too, as you can see right there, and I can show you. Edit. Right there, that's the form. Now you could put in anything right there, but I guess I'm just gonna run it on this one. Yeah, form. Yeah, I'll show you. This is the last one that I inputted, I guess. I'm just gonna enter a new. Okay. Ninja, some SpongeBob, the Avenger, Ant-Man, all that. I'm gonna put I don't know, Disney character, Disneyland. Okay. Maybe I don't know, 1253 Catella. I don't know what the address. Catella Street Avenue. Okay. Phone number is I don't know. 714. Oh, maybe I don't know. 949 566 899 something. Put that there. Mickey Mouse. I don't know. Disneyland character. I forgot. What is that? Potato head. Yeah. So potato head. Okay. So for that, let's record and go to the top. Click enter. That's it. Voila. Close that part. Open up this one. Oh, you open this one. Oh, not that one. Never mind, not that one. I'll show you under the table. That's what I already have. Right there. Right there. That this one will answer this question right here. What do you call it? This question right here, number 21 in database. Select the table object, open the customer table, make a note of the value in the customer ID primary key, fill for the 2 record, in this case 4 records. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So when you're creating when you're creating the form, right? This is creating the form, right? I'm sorry. Oh, that's a table. Yeah. Yeah, when you're creating the form right here, yeah, you're supposed to transfer this thing right here. Just follow the step. It's pretty easy. I don't think it's any complicated on this one. Yeah, and that one, entering input record. Yeah. So that one is. Could also show you the contact right there. There you go. I have some Dave Martin, I have Sue Smith, I have my name, I have Ninja Turtle, I have SpongeBob, I have Ant-Man, I have Captain America, from the same record. So you can see right there. Mickey Mouse, Potato Head. Okay, click that one. So the next one is, okay, I gotta hurry up, my record almost finished. Next one is query. So you can see right there, I already have query customer 2 right there. If you run that one, it'll pop up this one right here. And so the thing works. And then you could also view it under the SQL view right there. This is the one right there. Yeah. Okay. And I could also show you edit it. Oh, I guess not. This is the same thing. Yeah, when creating the queries, we'll say right there, yeah, just follow the step. It's pretty easy. It fixed the problem that this first one have right here. We'll have so many record popping up, but after I fix it, it did generate the amount of information that you want to see. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.